to another telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about the question, should you work out your body to learn telekinesis? Does it matter? Does it make a difference? And yes, the answer is yes, it does make a difference. In order to do telekinesis, it's not just important to have a healthy and strong mind. You also have to have a strong and healthy body. I've seen many times in the comments you saying, "Oh, do you work out? You have a good body." Yes, I do have a proper physique because I work out my body every single day without exceptions. Without exceptions. I train telekinesis every day. I train my mind. I train my body every single day. In order to be successful in anything, you have to be consistent. If you just practice or do certain things only when you feel like it, you will not be successful. You will not get stronger. You will not learn telekinesis. That is most likely the biggest reason why most of you never learn telekinesis. Because you are not consistent. So yes, if you want to learn telekinesis, it's important to train your body. It's important to have a strong, healthy body. Your body, our body, is our shell. It protects our organs, but also our spirit, our mind. It fuels our brain. It fuels our soul. If you don't have a proper diet, if you feed your body trash and unhealthy foods, how is your mind supposed to work? How are you supposed to be able to focus? So yes, fuel your body with healthy foods. Exercise your body every single day. If you don't have the money or the time for a gym, you don't need a gym. I do just work out in my bedroom. You can do push-ups. You can do pull-ups. You can do squats. You can do all these body weight exercises. These are good enough to have a healthy body, to have a strong body. And do that every single day. At least 20 minutes every day. Everybody has 20 minutes every day. You're just watching this video. You spend 10 minutes watching this video. So you do have 20 minutes to do some push-ups, some squats, some sit-ups, anything. Just run around if you want. Play physical games, that counts too. Move your body. Get away from your computer or your cell phones. Move your body. Be healthy. Be strong. Then you too can learn telekinesis. One tip though, don't exercise your body right before you want to do telekinesis. When your body is exhausted, it's sweating, it's tired, you're breathing hard, you need oxygen, then it's way harder to do telekinesis. Better do the other way around. Meditate. do some breathing exercises, do some telekinesis, and then train your body. Because it's also the other way around. With a healthy mind, with a practice and exercised mind, it's way easier to build up a strong body. So it goes vice versa. I want you guys to be healthy. I want you guys to be strong. That's what telekinesis is about. That's what this channel is about. That's what my purpose is. To help you to get strong and healthy. Not just to learn telekinesis. Telekinesis is a side effect. I want you to be strong and confident. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Have a good day.